Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I want to show you how to use Apple Pay online in Safari. So I will simulate the process of paying online with Apple Pay. So I will show you this using the example of this specific website. So whatever website that you use to make a purchase, you want to go to checkout page. This is checkout page on this specific website, and you want to proceed to payment section. So you'll see different payment methods, and from the list of options you want to select Apple Pay. Simply tap on the Apple Pay, and now in the bottom you want to tap Apple Pay, and you will see a little preview of your transaction where you can see your card that you use. You can also use the option to change payment method, and also you will see the amount of money that you're going to spend. In order to change payment method, let's tap here, and if you have several payment cards, you will see a list of them, and in order to switch to another card, you just have to tap on it to select it. Now you have to confirm the payment. Using the side button, you have to double click this power button, which is on the right side of your iPhone, and authenticate with your Face ID, or if you use Touch ID, if you have home button, you have to scan your finger or scan your face. And that's it. After it, you will see the message on your screen that transaction is successful and it is complete. So that's how you can use Apple Pay online in Safari. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.